know you want to see the September Joyful Jordan box. You are not going to want to miss out on it. September is Sleeptember. We are fixing up our sleep. Hey y'all, if you don't know me, my name's Tracy Hyde. I am a consultant with Jordan Essentials, otherwise known as a Jordy, which I love. Okay, I will be a Jordy. I'm in. Okay, so I'm here to show you what is in our subscription box, but you can buy them one at a time. You can go and get one every month if you want to, but if you add it as a subscription, you get the shipping on it for free. And then you also, like, you can take a peek at it and be like, oh, I'm going to send this one to my cousin because it's her birthday and she's going to love this and she needs a little pampering. Oh, hey, you know what? My child who just went away to college could use some help sleeping in a new environment. Maybe this will help make them comfortable and ease them into some decent rest. I'm going to send that to them, right? So you can do a lot of different things. So many amazing products. I mean, it is $30 every single month, and there's always 3 or 4 products. It's worth way more than the 30 bucks, okay? So this month, September is going to be dubbed Sleeptember. Sleeptember. We got this. So basically, Jordan Essentials just knows we're not sleeping. Are you sleeping? Are you getting good rest? You better tell us your secret. So listen, magnesium helps with that. I don't know if you know this. It's one of the many things that magnesium can help with, but our amazing, our sleep spray and stick and all the things, right? We have some amazing stuff. We've got a new product, this catalog, Sleep Dead Sea Salts. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is super cute. All of our boxes come with a cute little card in it. And of course this one says, sleep isn't just rest, it's restoration. So curl up, breathe deep, and let the day melt away. Tomorrow needs your best self. So the truth. This has been like my theme this week. In fact, my personal theme this week, rest. Your body needs rest. If you don't do it, it will eventually make you. Okay? This speaks big volumes to me. Like I said, it's been my theme this week. Not resting, been sick, all the things, right? So it has a cute little saying on the front, and then on the back it talks about our products, okay? So I'm just gonna show you. So this is really kind of how it comes. It comes with a card in it, and it kind of comes like this with popcorn, okay? So sometimes it's like a search and rescue mission, okay? You gotta go find what's in here, what's in our little box. So we've got a bottle, our regular sized magnesium spray bottle. It is our sleep spray. It's 3 fluid ounces, in case you didn't know. So our beautiful sleep spray. This has been around for a while, so it's not a new product, but it is handy dandy. Spray it on your comforter. You could put it on your pillowcase. Spray it in your hands and take a deep breath. Spray it on something that's going to be kept close to you, okay? So that you can breathe in all the yumminess. Now, this is lavender, orange, and chamomile, which are all restful things for you, okay? So then also in here, as I'm digging around in my scavenger hunt, I found a bag of Sleep Dead Sea Salts. Now, this is a new product this season in the new catalog, the fall catalog. Absolutely amazing. You know about the Dead Sea Salts? Oh, wait, you don't know about the Dead Sea Salts? Okay. So that's another video I'll share, okay? They're amazing. So many more minerals and so much more that it can do for you versus like soaking in Epsom salts. There's like the kind of magnesium and the kind of the kind of goodies that you're going to get from a Dead Sea Salt soak is it's more, okay? And so more uplifting, more restful, more relaxing, right? All of those things. It's doing all that stuff for your body, okay? And then this, now listen, this we don't have. This is this box only. We don't have this. Even Nancy, our founder, was like, I don't think we've ever done a sleep lotion. But there's actually a sleep lotion in this box, and only in this box can you get it. So listen, I love to put lotion on at night before I go to bed. My routine right now is I do 3 pumps of peppermint magnesium in the morning, put them on my legs, and then whatever I have left over is on my arms and on my hands to get me through the day, okay? I also I use some other lotions throughout the day, but the peppermint is where I start, okay? At the end of the day, before I go to bed, I have got, so these are the 2 pump bottles I have in my bathroom, that's my ensuite, right? The other one is Copacabana. So at night I do Copacabana. Peppermint tends to pick me up, lifts my spirit, and I'm ready to go with peppermint. So that's why I do it in the morning. At night I use the Copacabana. Listen to me when I tell you, I have, the last 2 nights I've done this, I've been sick on top of it all and haven't been resting. The last 2 nights I've done this, I have put the Copacabana on my legs and I get into my pajamas, I crawl into bed, turn the TV on just for some kind of background noise. I know we're not supposed to do that, but I do anyway. And then I fall asleep and I sleep hard. It has been ages since I slept hard like that. So I'm telling you. So I love a great lotion at night. I used to do a hand lotion at night. You know, that store at the mall that has all the other things that we probably shouldn't be putting on our body. We love to walk by it, and the men hate it, but we love to walk by it, and we're like, that stuff smells good. But, so I always had some kind of lavender lotion that I would put on at night, and I stopped using them because they have stuff in it that we don't need to be using. And I was desperate. I really, really wanted this. And so I went to Copacabana, but I'm thrilled with this, okay? So I know, off topic, I'm so sorry. If you know me, you understand. If you don't, apologize. So all this does is tell you about the product. So the magnesium spray, you know, it's just a calming blend of essential oils that soothes the mind and supports natural, healthy sleep. Yes, and it even has a how to use on here. It says spray can be applied directly to your skin for wider coverage, like over your chest, right? You get out of the shower. Are you a nighttime showerer? Is that how you anyways, spray it on your chest, right? Back of neck or whole body, can also be sprayed on linens or sprayed into the air. So you can, maybe you're like, I don't want to put it on me. I'm okay with like maybe on my comforter, but then maybe you just miss the air before you go to bed, and then you can breathe that in as well, right? The Dead Sea salts soothe sore muscles and relax deeply with magnesium-rich salts and calming essential oils. Use a 1/4 cup under running water for a bath soak, or 2 tablespoons for a foot soak. I do 2 tablespoons in a big old basin, and I put some hot water in there, throw my feet in there, and man, I am soaking it up for 10-15 minutes. And then my ankles, listen, I'm just going to say, oh Lord, perimenopause is not a friend. But that's amazing. That stuff is fantastic. And then the Sleep Magnesium Lotion helps ease muscle aches, cramps, and tension with calming magnesium while hydrating and soothing your skin for restful nights. Just massage into your skin directly, and then or into an affected area as needed, as often as needed. So listen, maybe you get up and go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, and you need to put some more lotion on because you just washed your hands and washed all the good lotion off of it. I don't know, keep it by your bedside. That's what I would do. I hope, truly hope that this video about this box and my goofiness aside has helped you learn more about Jordan Essentials. They're amazing Joyful Jordan box. I think these things are so fantastic, and I love them. And you can't tell now, but I have like stacks of them. There's a few that I bought that were 1 month, and I bought a handful of them because they're just so amazing, and I'm like, I'm gonna need more and more of this. So you actually can do that if you want. Maybe you're like, I'm gonna get this, and then you're like, so you have your subscription, and you're like, I know this one. You could buy them. You could buy a handful of them and then stash them aside for holiday gifts, right? For a birthday gift a little bit later. Like, I wouldn't do it's in 11 months, you know. I would do like, oh, it's coming up, you know, kind of thing. But one of my favorite products from the whole thing is just this box. Every month it's something new. It's so fun, and it's just invigorating for your soul, right? And what a great gift to you. Maybe you need that. I don't know. All right. Hopefully you've had some fun with us today. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then, you know, I would really appreciate it if you went and watched another video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.